Well, here we go. Anyhow, it's a brand new, gone through engine, never used really. It's a brand new block, and it's got the Eagle rods. It's full roller rocker, roller cam. It's a full race engine and blueprinted. Anyhow, Demon carbs. It has electric pump, MSD alternator on it. It's got airbags, QA1 shocks. The frame's all pretty much custom made and all molded in. T5 tranny and the good old MagnaFlows. It's got the fuel cell. There's the rear end. It's got the cantilever system to drop the thing down, and 4-link. It's got one of the Alston chassis, 9 inches in the back end. It's got 411 gears. Anyway, it's got Coddington wheels. Oh, it does have power steering. It's got all Willwood brakes, Willwood pedals, master cylinders. It's kind of hard to say. That thing is all wired in there. Actually, the whole truck is already wired. It's just hanging everywhere. Devil's in the details, figuring out how to hide everything. That's what drives me nuts at finishing a project. But anyhow, story today. I'm going to try to get this on YouTube because it definitely won't fit on email. I'll talk to you.